You can go to sleep if you want. Is that more comfortable than the chair? Yeah. We're gonna get you that mask. Will that help? To help you breathe?
I wasn't thinking. I was just upset, that's all. But Mr. Connors, there has to be a reason you thought initially that it was on.
I went to be Tucker said, but I'm not gonna let anything happen to him or anything. So I would just stay away. For what? Because you don't want to find out. See, that's my goal. So why don't you stay the hell away from that?
Hey, mister. Oh, cookies. What's your sticker say? You got an X-ray. It glows in the dark. Is that cool? Oh. Well, if I was to walk away, you would need it.